truck. Look at this. A Unique. Look at this. I think your tyres are a bit bald, a bit cracked and bald. Oh wow, there's nothing in them. The engine is stripped out of them, everything's stripped out of them. They've just rotted, just totally rotted. Front end's basically been ripped out of this truck. They just stripped it straight out. There's a lot of trucks on here. I don't think there's too many cars. I think there's more trucks than anything. Oh, look at that, an old bus. Look at that. Old bus full of engines. That is a proper old school bus. It's cool though, that. They must strip them for parts in here. Proper rat look, that, innit? What is it? A super what? Gel-looked. I think it's a local scrapyard. What's that? Oh yeah, is it an old Citroen? I think it might be an old Citroen, I'm not 100% sure on that one. Yeah. CX, look at that CX there. Have you seen that on backflex? Is it an actual GTI one?
CX25 GTI.
Look at that.
Took me there.
There's a bit, oh, it's covered so you can't really see it. I want to see the front end of it. Wow, I think they're all like damaged vehicles, accident damaged vehicles. A lot of them are smashed up. Ah, the front end's totally gone. And the further you go back, obviously the older they're going to be. Look at this. It looks like an old ice cream van. Ah, they're prickly, these bushes. Ah. Really prickly. It looks like an old ice cream van, this one. Getting attacked. No engine in it. I think we better go in that way, to be honest with you. Oh, all the cabs. Look like they might be accident damaged ones. There's some classics. I've got thorns in my socks, I can feel them digging in my feet.
Yeah.
It's horrible.
What the fuck are you doing on my land? That?
What? Oh, I'll have a look in a sec. What are these? What are they? Oh, they're old Citroens. They are old Citroens. I don't, turbos. You can tell the Citroens, you know, with the back covers on the thingy, on the wheels. Prestige. Prestige, actually. Yeah, Prestige.
The glass backs, I think, yeah, the red plates in the glass.
Turbo. These are very rare. What's it like inside?
Inside looks amazing.
Oh, they've been looked after these inside.
Look at the inside. Look at the dashboard. It's like a spaceship.
Have a look.
It looks like a spaceship, bro.
Oh wow, look how it comes out with the actual clocks there.
Have you seen inside these? Yeah, it looks like a spaceship, bro.
Look at that. That's it.
The radio's down the centre. God damn. The radio's down in the centre console.
Yeah, it is in the centre console. Yeah. No, it's at the top.
These are really well looked after.
Manuals as well. Don't know what this is though. Not sure what this is. Looks like some kind of rally car with tyres on it. It's got nails in the tyres, snow tyres on it. Nails in it.
Yeah, snow tyres on.
I wonder what this is. I reckon it was a rally car at some point.
Yeah.
Don't know what that is. They put a cover over the seat though, haven't they? I wonder how many miles it's done. Can't tell. Temperature gauge is stuck on at 80. Looks like it's already open.
The other side of that wall is yeah, it's one place. Then again, you look at that hole in the car.
Oh, I'd love to have one of these trucks, mate. One of these tow trucks. Look at that. Look at it. With steel metal doors. That's air. Winch on it. Look at that. I love stuff like that. I'd definitely drive that round. I'd leave it as it is. Get it running. Don't even paint it or anything. Just leave it as it is. And just drive it round. It'd be ace. It's like thingy off cars. Yeah. I'd just get it running, mate, and just drive it like that. I think it'd be Dave opening doors.
Yeah.
Don't know. I bet they've got some nice cars in these containers, you know. I'm not sure. Oh, it's a Peugeot. It's an old school Peugeot.
Oh, it's the 504?
504 Peugeot. That's cool. Look at that. I bet there's some weight in this army crane here. Try and get that back up. You need another huge crane just to move that. Strip down there. What? What have you spotted? What have you spotted? What you spotted? Tell me. Wow.
That would look so cool in like a man cave.
Yeah,
I mean,
just
cleaned it up a bit.
pin it to the wall.
Yeah, look at that. Yeah, it's a proper one.
Oh,
big ass.
It is basically just cut off from the window, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's no back end of the car at all, just the front end. I'm gonna have a walk through this bit. Side of a wagon. Oh, look at that. Oh, imagine turning that into a camper.
Oh, that's cool, isn't it? It looks like the old
Look at that van. That is so cool.
It is cool, in a couple of, in good condition, they were 20, 30 grand.
Are they? Oh, wow. There's the classic.
Oh, that's the ones with the radio down the centre console. That's
Here
a
we go.
proper sit round.
Oh, there's some in the unit over there.
Oh. Look at these.
Okay, guys.
Citroen van.
Okay, guys, so we just flip forward. He's ready for this one.
The lights are so clean on it as well. Oh wow. Oh, it's a thing of this, isn't it?
Look at that with the lights inside the grills.
It's a Peugeot, that, isn't it?
I had no idea, bro.
Is it not a Peugeot, that?
Oh,
Huh?
that one.
It's a Peugeot.
That's a Peugeot, that one.
Look at that.
That's a proper Peugeot. It's a 105.
Oh, it's got suicide doors on it as well.
Peugeot 105 GTI.
Citroen here. Wow. Oh my god, these are cool. Look at these. As if these are just left to rot like this. Such a shame.
I think it's an old scrapyard that's gone out of business.
Yeah, because they just stripped a lot of parts off them, haven't they?
Yeah.
The old Citroen badge. Look at these guys. Wow, there's no floor left in that one. Suicide doors, they come out the opposite way. Yeah, I don't think that's going to open for again. Wow. They dealed in the old Citroens then, didn't they? Look at these. Oh, has it still got all the interior in this one? Wow, look how clean it is inside. It's so clean. Look at the interior in it. The steering wheel's not even got any mould or anything on. It's mint. Oh. Yeah, oh, the insides of them are mint. It's only going to get older the further we go in. It's full of parts. Oh. You know them Citroens that were out in the shed? Look at that one. Now that is old school. How good's the interior in that, Dan?
I know. Insane.
Oh wow, look at back end.
Yeah, it's had a bit of a crash in.
I think they're all accident damaged cars, me.
Yeah. Accurate, right? Still a bit shrub as well.
They're accident damaged cars, not a scrapyard. Back end's been caved in on that one.
Is it?
Yeah.
There's spare doors in there, I think. Yeah, the thing. That's cool. Put the starter handle on it.
Oh, look at that.
Mint inside as well.
The old way you used to start them up. To crank the engine over. Oh, can we see in it? Can we see in it? Has it got the full engine in? Oh yes, the full engine's still in it. Look at that. Yeah.
Is there anything in the back area?
I don't know, I'm gonna have a look now. Oh, it's an old pickup. Oh, there's something else in the back. I don't know what it is though. I think it's... Oh, it's an old steamroller. Well, it's not steam. I don't know if it's... It's an old road roller. I forgot what you call them now. This, I'd love to have this thing. This pickup. Oh, wow, it's amazing. Let's have a look inside it, yeah? Everything's still inside it. Wow. As you can tell, guys, as you can tell, I'm getting very excited. I love my old cars. Old rusted cars look so cool. I like them when they're restored and mint as well, but I just like how when nature takes over and they just go rusty and all broken stuff, I think they look really cool. Look at these. Oh, there goes my phone. I need to start putting it on silent when I'm recording. I just sat on top of that one. I'm surprised the tree's not pushed it over yet. Yeah, what I'm looking at here, they are accident damaged cars, I think. They're all accident damaged. Look at that, old school Peugeots. I love my Peugeots, me.
But these, I can't remember what these sections were for.
Oh, it sank into the ground, that. For how long they've been sat here, the windows are still all intact. Inside is pretty much intact. This is great. I'm loving this. A lot of these are well too far to have gone to even try and restore them, to be honest with you. Keep getting pricked. There's no floor in it at all. Wow. Turbo. Do you reckon someone's put that sticker on? Do you reckon they come with a turbo sticker on? I want to go around and have a look at that one. I think the front end looks really cool in it. It's a Peugeot 4.3. Look at this. Look at this. 403 turbo. Look at that. How cool does that look? Wow. And you got one that's been here for God knows how long. Look how rusty it is. It's obviously come here with just like a back end damage or front end damage. It's been left. All this would have been had paint on it, I bet, when it come in. Can we see the engines in it? Let's have a look. Oh, it is in it as well. Look at that 4-pot. I love the old Peugeot sign. Can I zoom in there? That's the old Peugeot sign, I love that. Wow. Definitely need to get some pictures. I hope you guys, oh, wow, let me get my words out. I hope you guys are enjoying this video as much as I'm checking these cars out. I think this is cool. I've never seen so many old Citroens and Peugeots in one place. I'm just loving it. I think it's ace. You know what I'm like, I love my cars, I love my exploring, I love my abandoning, but I do love my abandoned cars. If you're enjoying it, guys, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think. I'm going to try and get as much as I can on abandoned scrapyards and stuff like that, abandoned car graveyards, all that kind of stuff. As much as them as I can get up, I'm going to try for you guys. But let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments if you like them or not, so then I'll hit them hard and try and get them out to you guys. I think they found something else. What have you found? Is there cars in there as well? Is there? So Andrew's saying there's some nice cars in it. Oh, there is as well. Holy shit.
Do you need a boost in there as well?
Hold that.
Before you just go climbing, I boosted them up. Nope, you're just gonna go for it.
Thank you, Andrew.
Yeah, have you seen that?
They look mint. Oh, the back quarter, yeah. All the side. Wow.
Right hand drive, you'd be dead.
It's all smashed. Holy. He ain't opening the door because the door's up bent. Can you see that there? The door's caved in into the passenger seat. It's that bad. God, it's got like brand new tyres on it.
What?
Brand new tyres on it. I bet them Peugeot alloys are worth something.
Yeah. What a shame. That looks exactly the same.
Maybe you can open this one. What colour is it? What colour is it?
Silver.
Silver, it's just covered in dust.
That's been a bad crash. Someone's been hurt in that bad. That's a shot. Full size.
And they put bubble wrap on to try and protect the seats. Look what the seats look like underneath. Oh, they're mint. Look at that. They even feel dead soft still as well. So that's lost the door. Oh, the front end's smashed in. Didn't realise that. Look at that. Front end's smashed. And what's this? An old Jeep. Look at that. Let's go Jeep. That's cool. Look at that Jeep. This ain't damaged. This just got parts missing off it. This might be his own personal vehicle. Look at that. Look at this. I'll walk down so you can see them like this. So you got that one there. You got that Peugeot there as well. And look at that, proper squashed in. The front end smashed, but the sill on the other side and the doors are all smashed in. So
it just looks worse when you sat there and it's that fucking thing there. What you find out? No,
what? Front end smashed in on some of them. I think this is it, guys. I think this is the end of the little video. Oh, I didn't know. I thought it was a van, but I didn't know. I realised it had all these back windows, tinted windows on it. Oh, you can't see any. It's actually locked up. Oh no, it's not. Look at that steering wheel. Oh, you wouldn't see a steering wheel like that now, really, with just one piece there, because it'll just bend so easy. Oh, you can't actually see in the back. It's tinted out the back, but you can't see in it. I don't know what's in there. Oh, it's got doors in it. It's just got doors in it, guys. But it's cool. What's hidden under this sheet? What's this? Citroen CX-25 Turbo. Oh, the engine's still in that. Oh, look at the whole front back. CX Turbo, look at that, smashed front end on it. Bad that. Let's see if we can see. Oh, it's still got the turbo engine in it, as far as I can see. Ah yeah, but it is smashed right up into the bulkhead though. Wow. Getting that excited, walking around looking at cars, and he was like, don't forget your bag. I'm like, what bag? I was like, oh yeah, the one I had on my back. I've actually just left it in the middle of the yard. Just left my bag there, didn't even think about it. Good job Andrew was about to warn me. There you can see they've obviously been stripping him. You got all the brake drums, brake discs, exhaust. What? Is there a car in it? Yeah, opening that.
No, you slide that up.
Oh, it's...
Now open it.
Yeah, but I don't think it'll slide up that. It's been shut for God knows how long, that, hasn't it? Right. It's going up.
No, it's not. It is. It'll go up. Okay, you're wrong.
Am I?
You need a couple of you on that though.
It's the wood's rotted.
Pull by the rope, that's what it's supposed to do. The wood's very rotted though.
There should be you see a badge there, won't you? You can just see it through that top one.
All these flies coming out everywhere.
There's no badge on it.
It's Peugeot.
I don't know.
Got to be. Don't know, it's a plastic though.
Got all the engines in here.
Oh.
Snowplow front end. So they did strip a lot of cars down. Look at all the doors just piled up here, ready for scrap. Wow, that's definitely been smashed up, that. So obviously he's put these on it, he'd probably take it to scrap and then just not started the wagon up again. Oh, I wonder if there's something in back of that.
Should be made criminal.
Oh, what's that? Shouldn't be left like that, should they? Just rotting in the bushes. But nature's taking it over.
I bet there won't have been. I want the E30 down there.
What?
I know you love your face.
I don't think Dan heard. Is that an old Jeep? Yeah. Oh no, it's an old like. Yeah, military.
Damage save it.
It's like an old military tow truck.
So if you know what Jeep this is, comment below because I have no idea.
It's an old army truck, innit? I want to know if there's anything in the back of this. It's locked. You need an actual handle in it, a bar in it. No, that's just a step.
I wonder if you can see anything in the
There's no front on it. No, the front end. No, you can't see it. Front end's totally gone.
Yeah.
It's a shame. But back in the day when this was opened, it's a shame because back in the day when this was open, they were all common cars, obviously. And they've just been left here to rot because no one needs the parts anymore because obviously you're getting rare cars, so some people want the parts, but it's not common parts all the time that everyone wants. It's just now and again that they need the parts to restore one of them. But other than that, they're just scrap. Back in the day they wouldn't have been. We've got it open, it's an old Renault.
Huge or something?
Yeah, that looks alright, the windows and stuff.
Right, I got this closing. It's going down, guys.
So we found another one, another container. Might have some more cars in it.
There's a heavy door. I think it's going to swing out.
But Andrew said to have a look in here.
The left one I've already matched.
Oh, that's not going to lift up that.
I already did this one.
It's rusted. Yeah, but you've got to open both to get the whole door open.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's got to come off.
Open one door. Yeah.
It's rusted shut. Can you see out in there?
Let me get a torch.
It's just parts, I think. It looks like brake drums and stuff. Yeah, it's just parts, car doors and stuff like that. It's just what they've used for storage. That bus is cool. Right guys, so that's the end of the video. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I've enjoyed walking around this place. I think it's ace. Old Citroens, old Peugeots. It's just a great explore. And I love my cars. You guys know why I love my cars. So if you enjoyed it, let me know in the comments. Hit that subscribe button, hit the bell button next to the subscribe button so you get notifications every time I upload videos like this, and abandoned buildings, places like that, everything that's abandoned basically. Hit that bell button so you get a notification. So till the next video guys.